Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video here update, I'm going to go over Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at $19,115. 24-hour volume, we're down 59.14%, and market cap, we are down 0.28%. All right, you guys, so we're going to head over to our weekly chart. I'm going to go into our daily chart and then immediate short term here for 4 hours. Take a look at some opportunities where the price may actually want to lead to. And if we take a look quickly on our weekly chart here, we have been holding ourselves ground from our week on September 19th here. So if we can see, the lowest that we've had on the week of September 19th was as low as 18,157, and then we retraced closer to the 18,1. So we know this area is a good area of support. If we quickly take a look at the candlestick that we have so far, it is essentially a spinning top candlestick, which is more effective in an uptrend because it shows exhaustion of the actual uptrend, and it may show weakness and the price may come down. What we do see in our RSI is we see this crossover from the previous candlestick. Now, the previous candlestick last week, we can see the body itself was heavily at the very bottom here, which does show a lot of selling pressure that we initiated and see currently today. So as we are seeing this spinning top candlestick, what we can observe too is that the buyers are trying to push the price. However, we're being capped up at the same candlestick that we saw on previously September 19th here. So mirroring the same impulse from here. What we can anticipate, again, hopefully repeating ourselves, is coming up and retesting our resistance at 20,300. We are going to be monitoring this day after day to take a look at it. And if we take a look at our MACD indicator at the very bottom here, which measures movement, we do see more of a impulse of a green bar, or histogram is what this bar is called, and we can see a little bit more pressure and momentum coming up into the green. However, again, if we take a look at where the MACD line is and the signal line, it is very, very low on our 0%, which again is confirmation of a bear market as a primary trend here. So let's head over to our daily chart here. And our daily chart here shows us a good area of support. Now, this line here is a good area of support at 18,962. It is that area of a support zone. We don't want to clue in so much or fixate on the dollar amount. But what we can see is we were able to hold this area of support roughly on this day here, September 8th. We were able to hold a few of our candlestick wicks at the very bottom here on October 2nd, October 3rd, and then here on October 12th, and what we see currently today. As we can see too, what may potentially happen is a downtrend. We can see that we were considered not as overbought, but there may be a selling opportunity that we see on our RSI. As soon as we close in today's candle, we would be able to get a better picture if these two lines actually cross over. And as soon as we see the white line on the left-hand side, it is going to trigger a selling opportunity, and we may see our area of support being tested once again. As we can see here in a 4-hour time zone that we're going to take a look at, our time interval, we can see again our candlestick, or the previous candlestick, again, it was a spinning top candlestick. Now this is going to be a high area of confluence. What we do need to take a look at in the next couple of hours to come is 19,200. We can see both our fib charts are fixated and overlapping at this area. So this is going to be a high area of interest that we're going to see if we can be able to basically retest this area of resistance. We can see our 50 moving average here, and we can see our 20 moving average here colliding around this area of our fib. But of course, we double check our Bollinger Band as well. So our Bollinger Bands are coming in, they're narrowing, meaning lower volatility. Price is going to move sideways or zigzag or consolidation, it says. So probably coming up to retest our resistance line, coming down to an area of support that I have here again at 18,962. We can see more refined candlesticks coming down to this area here, 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 and I am going to be predicting in the next couple of hours coming down to here. As we can see with the RSI quickly, the reaction here, we may see that selling opportunity once again here. So that's kind of my observation here for Bitcoin. We do see the momentum here for our MACD indicator going strongly into the red, and we can see the candlestick here may be a possible exhaustion of this downtrend, and we may see a couple of candlesticks in the green, again, in hopes to come up and retest this resistance line. So let me know what you guys think down below. If you enjoyed the video, like it as well. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I would definitely appreciate that, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.